In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to download Adobe After Effects for free on your PC or Mac. Let's get started. Click the link in the description box below this video. This will take you straight to Adobe's official After Effects page, ensuring a safe, legitimate download. Once on Adobe's official After Effects page, click the Start Free Trial button. You'll be prompted to select a plan. Choose wisely between individual, business, or student-teacher plans. For this example, we'll go with the business plan, which gives you the full 14-day free trial of After Effects. You can also opt for a 7-day trial of Adobe stock that will provide you with 10 premium assets for free that you can keep. Once you've made your choice, click Continue to proceed. Next, enter your email address. You'll need to provide some personal details and payment information, but don't worry. You won't be charged during the trial period as long as you cancel before it ends. Once you've reviewed everything, you'll click Agree and Subscribe. You'll then be asked to create a secure password for your new Adobe account. Once your account is set up, you'll be guided to download the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. Go ahead and install it, then sign in using the same email and password you just created. In the Creative Cloud, open the Apps tab, search for After Effects, and click Install. The download will start automatically, and once it's finished, it will be ready to use. That's all there is to it. You now have the full version of Adobe After Effects installed and running, perfect for testing out motion graphics, visual effects, or animation projects. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to use the link in the description to get your free trial directly from Adobe and support our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.